how to use your Netflix secret category codes. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? If you're wondering what secret codes are, Netflix uses secret codes to organize thousands of hidden categories. So the first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and open your Netflix on your browser or your mobile app and log into your account. Then you want to simply go ahead and browse by language into your settings, or you can simply go to the Browse tab. And now you want to simply find a secret category code from a list. So for example, action and adventure is 1365, comedies is 6548, horror is 8711, anime is 7424, documentaries is 6839. If you simply go ahead and search on your browser, you can just search for netflix.com/browse/genre/ the code. And once you've done that, you will simply go ahead and find the hidden categories. You can simply go ahead and find the movies you like, and you can simply watch it and enjoy it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.